HAIN stock analysis and HAIN stock predictions. In this quick and short 1-minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play whilst using my strategy that I've already refined over 47,000 videos over 5 years. So, you know, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. The HAIN Celestial Group, this thing is so sick. I mean, I'm a big fan of this. Like, let's go here, HAIN. Yep, that's just so beautiful. It's just that, my man, I'm not going to be randomly buying here. Like, just forget about it. Like, yes, I'll look to buy and all that good jazz, but randomly buying, it's not happening. And guess what? Here's my demand zone. And without that proper correction and a double break, I'm obviously not gonna look to buy. So that's HAIN. Just like that. All I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules to be met. And if you do want to stay tuned, want to get free sauce, emails, and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. Bye bye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.